Good evening once more. So this is a video walkthrough about VidIQ. It's hand in hand almost with YouTube, help you rank your videos with the best keywords. So let's sign up. We just go to sign up and then we put in our email address. And then once you've done that, so it can, the algorithm can search your analysis, because this is what it'll do. You'll put in your YouTube channel. It's powered by AI now. It compares competitors' analytics for your video based on views it gets and subscribers. So we'll add the channel, and it's all through Gmail, I think. Yeah, and then just press allow. So here we've got you can free, and there's advantages of um, paying a month. That's what you get. Changed since the last time, but we'll find out what all this is about in a few moments. So next on this is daily ideas, which is quite good. So we'll put in affiliate marketing is what I do, and then we press apply. So being a free member only gives you 3 searches per day, but that's enough. Come out of that. Right, so here is some ideas are very high, which means you could predict that. So if you think that's rubbish or you think it's a good idea, that's you saved it. And here's mediums, that's maybe not that good either. You can scroll down and just pick the ones you want. So the AI side hustle, you need to try in 2024. So these are the kind of videos that you could make. It's probably the best for the channel, and that's the ones that are saved. Saved ideas are here, and then dismiss ideas are there, and that's just by doing that. So it gives you a good idea of what videos to make rather than just doing any old video. And then you could search for something else like drop shipping. Step by step drop shipping product. To something else. How to combine drop shipping and affiliate marketing for maximum profit. So you could save that one, and then that one's maybe not that good. So that's your saved ideas. Oh, tomorrow I can do a video about that, and next day one about that, and next day one about that. But these ones, nah, I won't bother. So that's quite a good tool there. And we'll go on to the next section. And the next section is something that wasn't there the last time I used VidIQ. It's AI content generator for YouTube. So I use that really for all my videos. The description keywords and always does rank normally first page if I've the odd occasion done a weight loss health, which is great. Competition with that is sometimes not ranked at all, but anything else it really has. So what will we choose for this one? We'll just type in what a lot of people type in: how to make money online. And then we press go. So it's really doing quite a lot for us here. we've maybe changed to 2021. I think that's when AI was created. So 10 legit ways to make money online in 2021. So change 2023, and it's giving you this description and actually all the keywords. So and then it's actually giving you thumbnails as well. This is something I didn't actually know, so I might even use this for this video. And then if you upgrade to Boost, then you're going to get more with this as well. So it's quite and then there's a video script, even telling you what to say for this type of video, and then we can go to get more video ideas. So it just takes us back to the daily ideas. So that's quite a great thing, I have to admit, the AI generator, and then we'll go on to the next section. Okay, so here is keyword opportunities. Obviously, I'm just a free member, but if I do upgrade, it would come come a whole list of ones. So if the size of channel is quite small, just started on YouTube, only got 105 subscribers. So for this one, prime opinion, of course I've done a video about that for real or fake. It's saying competition very high, so it's unlikely a channel would rank for that one or even uh, review on it as well. And then this one, payment proof, medium, so it's still might be quite difficult, but I can consider, or you consider doing a video about payment proof prime opinion. Um, but that's a video I've done before. So maybe just type in work from home jobs and see what that comes up with. Press enter, and here it tells us the search volume, which is quite high, and then for that it's medium again, but we are probably looking in the upgrade to Pro, and you'll get a lot more. So if we click on this one here, so work with home jobs, no experience. There's plenty of businesses we could promote. So here is search volume 36,000 and low. So for my channel, it's likelihood I could rank for it. So the high is this color here, and then green is that's the wrong one there. It is low, so it's a good chance I could rank for that. And then you've got related keywords, which is quite good as well. So work from home wouldn't be a good one, but work from home jobs would be a good one as well to go for. And then we've got matching terms, maybe not any of those videos. So if I type in, it's good to broaden the words, not just have work from home, how to make money online. So that is very, very high. So it's unlikely to rank for it. And then you could just broaden again, how to start a business for free. Type that in. Once again, that is quite high. Go business ideas, still quite high. And let's go related keywords. So that one, it's not that great either. So it's just really playing around with it, to be honest. And you might type in how to make money using your Facebook profile. look, this is low. It isn't. It's searched as much. It's only 1,000, but still 1,000 views you could get. Um, and there's that low, so you could consider doing a video about that. So maybe in the past you've just done all these random videos, I've not got any views at all, but it's actually doing videos around that, and then it can rank. So let's go on to the next section. So you get the idea with that. So it might be an idea to upgrade um, to the Pro rather than the free. You're just getting three options, where some of them might be actually low, which and even gets to very low, which means it's definitely going to rank. But we'll focus on the next section, which really is the last section. I'm not going to do those three on this video. And this is another new feature, AI coach. So it's having your coach done by AI. So we don't want that. How do I get more views? That's me asking AI. It kind of knows everything really. So it's just giving you some feedback on it. Don't think it's finished writing yet, but so just take a look at that. So it's giving you a lot of good stuff. It knows it's affiliate market, making money online for the most part. Um, Yeah, and it's doing what I kind of do, giving reviews and tutorials. Something that's not in VidIQ, but if you're going to do videos, review ones are the best, because it is about giving value, but a lot of people are lazy. They don't want to do the walkthrough videos. Not saying I've done an amazing job doing this, but there's not a lot of if you go through all the videos that are vidIQ, for example, there won't be that many. There'll be many promoting programs and things, but and then it's saying the VIB and technical review, um, yeah, which got quite a lot of views to be honest. So it's knowing what videos that we've done, and it knows that these are the top ones. Aim to keep your videos 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes that's good for just promoting products, but we're trying to explain something that'll be a wee bit longer, and it's really just telling us honest from it, and it's AI seems to be doing a phenomenal job, but that was the sort of pre-populated ideas. So you might ask, how can I get more subscribers? And we'll see what it says for this one. It's going with this video, which got a lot of views, as I say, and it's just giving value really. The thumbnails kind of play a part in it. Try be engagement, cross promote, so it kind of knows what it's talking about, AI. So it's a great tool. You ask anything you want, or just click the questions that are there. And download extension, what that is your browser. So when you load up YouTube, it will come up with the search terms that we went through, the keywords, and you can use it from YouTube. And this here is just, yes, I got 3,000 views. This is just some of the notifications from YouTube, because it's all linked in. And then if you want to upgrade, you can. And it's just our section to upgrade, and then refer a friend as well. think it's loading up. But, and then the academy there, you're sort of teaching in it as well. In there, and then the affiliate center if you want to promote. You can, which probably will be doing. So, so there's quite a lot of in it, and then in this, and then you've got the stats and things like that. So, and that's just an overview of what I've got in the channel and your views today and all that sort of thing. So I hope this helps someone using VidIQ. If you want to go ahead and get it, then click the link in description. But we've also got a very special bootcamp which is free, a business like you've never ever seen. Really take a look at that, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.